Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1022 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this Dose of Colors Block Party single eyeshadow that I got in the shade Night Sky in my November 2020 Boxycharm premium box. This has a retail value of $20 for just this one single eyeshadow. Like, I have so many eyeshadow palettes with many colors in them that cost less than $20. So that kind of sets my expectations pretty high. Like, this better be an amazing eyeshadow. But so the color that I got, called Night Sky, truly looks like a beautiful night sky in the pan here. It looks like a black shade with lots of sparkle. Here's how that looks. I'm so excited to swatch it. Oh my gosh. Okay, well that swatches so pigmented and so sparkly. So it swatches exactly how it looks in the pan, which I'm really glad to see. So here you can see that swatch. Such pretty sparkle. And it's also paraben free, gluten free, cruelty free, and talc free. Made in the USA. Well, I think it's fun when I try out eyeshadow singles to try and do an eyeshadow look that uses just the one shade. So I'm going to try applying it in a few different methods. To start out, I'm going to take a fluffy crease brush and let's see if this color diffuses. And I like that it has this little mirror in here. Ooh, even when I'm going in with this light layer, it still looks really sparkly. And it really is blendable. And it's diffusing and smoking out. This could actually be a really nice crease shade because I like that it is just like a toned down gray shade now, but it still has sparkle, which makes it kind of fun. Oh my gosh, I'm very pleasantly surprised by this. I really did not think I would be able to blend it out and diffuse it into a lighter shade like this. So this is awesome, makes it so much more versatile. Now I feel like putting the black shade all over my lid is going to look intense, but it'll be different for me. So you know what, I'm gonna go for it. I'm kind of excited to do an eyeshadow look that is very different than what I would normally wear. And so the instructions recommend applying with your finger to get the most pigment payoff. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna apply to the lid with my finger, and oh my gosh, so pigmented, so dark. It's really impressive actually for this shade to be such a true dark black shade, because black eyeshadows I feel like are never super pigmented and fully black. And this just has such beautiful glitter. Okay, I actually love how this looks as a completed eyeshadow look. I feel like it's actually like pretty wearable. I mean, not for like a daytime casual eyeshadow look for me, but for like a glam going out eyeshadow look, I kind of love this because it does like transition into the crease there really smoothly, and it has that fun glitter. This is festive. Like, this could be like a holiday eyeshadow look. Oh my gosh. Okay, I really am loving this, and I'm just surprised by how wearable it is. Oh my gosh. Like, this is a shade that I never would have picked out on my own. But since it was sent to me in Boxycharm, it's such a great way for me to try shades that are out of my comfort zone, but then I end up absolutely loving. Like, seriously, that is so nice. And I didn't use an eyeshadow primer with this, and it is still full opaque pigment, no creasing, looks amazing. Now, I'm really excited to see how this is going to look on the lower lash line. So I'm taking a smaller brush and I'm going to smoke that along the lower lash line. Yeah, that looks so good. I mean, it pulls the whole eyeshadow look together. And this eyeshadow look is very flattering. I mean, it's kind of bold, but it's still so pretty and glam that I don't feel too intense in it, but I really thought that I was going to. But I love this on the lower lash line because it is easy to blend out and smoke out, but then you still get that little hint of glitter. This is so pretty. I seriously feel so lucky for getting the shade Night Sky. If you got this in your Boxycharm and you got it in a different shade, let me know what shade you got. I'm very curious what shades people were getting. But if you got this shade Night Sky, you should do an eyeshadow look like this, and I think you would love it, and I think that it would look so good. I just can't get over how pretty this shade is. The sparkle, I feel like it's just what makes this so amazing and so pretty and glam. Like, this is seriously one of my favorite like glam smoky eye looks I've ever done, and it took one shade. So quick and easy. And there I was saying that $20 is expensive for a single eyeshadow. And don't get me wrong, it is expensive, but I almost feel like it is worth it because you can create a full, beautiful eyeshadow look with this. I feel like I'm going to get a lot of use out of it. I just want to wear this eyeshadow look anytime I'm going to something where I can wear glam makeup, which those occasions are so limited now with the pandemic. But when that happens, I can't wait to recreate this eyeshadow look for it. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.